Hello, good afternoon. Welcome. Today is Wednesday, the 19th day of November 2025. So, I'm going to be doing a breakdown on NZD I will place my chart now on the daily time frame. My chart is currently the daily time frame. So, what I normally do before I trade, you need to understand that let's go to our basic market structure. We need to understand the direction of the market. So, if we see a market that is falling down, is doing a push phase, an exhaustion. So, if after an exhaustion, we expect another push. After an exhaustion, we expect another push. After an exhaustion, we expect another push. Now, most traders know that the market is coming down. But the issue is that they don't know where to sell the market from. So what we normally do is that we come to start reading the current structure of price. So I will start by reading the structure here. I have this push phase, I have this exhaustion, I have a push, I have this exhaustion. So this exhaustion, after an exhaustion, we expect a push. So imagine I'll be selling this is day one, day two, day three, day four, day five, day six. Over day seven, we had a massive sell on NZD So that I'm capitalizing on this push phase. You can see, right? I'm capitalizing on making profits to sell this push phase. The exhaustion is more like a pullback. You can see, right? So currently now we have this current range. So this is where I now focus on the most current range that the market has created. So this becomes my high. Automatically, this low is weak and it must be taken out. So I have a break of structure here. So what I'm going to do is that this is the main direction is bearish, but this current trend is bullish. So my entry time frame, I will go straight to my entry time frame, which is the 30 minutes time frame. You know what I'm looking at for. I want to see a break of structure. Market will take out the high first because this high must be taken out. Market can create an internal structure and break out, take out to come back for this internal liquidity and go. Then I'm looking for the second case scenario is that I want to see a break of structure. Price takes out the liquidity, it breaks out, it pulls back to create the B leg, which is the second, which is the main liquidity that will be taken out. The market comes, takes that liquidity, and we'll see the sell to the downside. See, these things are very simple. So let's go straight to the chart. And now let's go to 30 minutes. I want to see the 30 minutes align bearish to fit in what I am looking at. So let's look at how we would have made money from that push phase. So this is where we begin to trail the 30 minutes to where the 30 minutes will turn bearish. So I had this last bullish break here. Pay attention. This is the break of structure, right? Now, if this trend was strong, we'll see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So instead of us to see another high that will break this high, we saw lower low, lower high, and lower low. This is where I got my change of character. So the market has changed character, right? So this is now the break of structure. Don't forget what I told you. I said I want to see the market do something like this. To break the low, do something like this, then to come and take this high, and I will now sell the market. So I see that in there now. Look at it. Very clear, simple. This is now the liquidity that I'm expecting market to take out. Then obviously I'm going to now place on this rejection candle, this unmitigated wick there. Then this is my first sell. Don't forget the original trend is bearish, so you are in line with the trend. So this is your first sell. Now, sorry. So that's my first sell. Then what happened again? We see the market takes out the liquidity from here and give us a major break. Now, we have another buildup of liquidity here. That's the liquidity. So this is your second entry from this order block here. That's your entry. Then we have another pending entry that has not been activated. But listen, if market takes profit, then this point may be used as liquidity because I like to trade inside of the range. So this is another entry again. Still have an unmitigated point of interest there. Don't forget you are bearish. So you can see this is like equal highs. So we call this one equal highs liquidity. In my class, mentorship class, I teach all this. This is an equal high. So we have this clear order block resting above it. So since our target point, where's our target line? Our finish line is this line. Market has not touched that point yet. So we still have a sell continuation on this market. So we can place a limit order here now and wait for the market to come there. Don't forget to always put it on this thing. And don't forget, all swing points must carry a three candle. There's a clear three candle formation there. So I've seen it. I've seen what I'm looking for. So we expect the market for that sell to continue, should come back into this point, then take out that low, because that low can target this low because it's a weak low. So that's all. That's all. Structure, liquidity, and your point of interest. That's it. So this would have been your first clean setup. This would have been your second entry based on the strategy we trade. Very simple concept. So you can target this low. This one should come down to this point, right? This should come somewhere around here. Please, stop loss. I don't use more than 10 pips stop loss. That's the way I trade. More than 10 pips stop loss. My stop loss is usually tight. So that's my entry. So if the market takes this black line, this line, then the setup is invalid. But we still expect that the market will come here because you can see a buildup of liquidity. A lot of traders have seen here as a level of resistance with their stop loss just above it. So we expect the market to move towards that place because our rules are simple. If market doesn't take out liquidity, we don't have any business. Liquidity is the fuel that drives market. I don't want to keep this video too long. Thank you so much. Now, please don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be dropping powerful content in the future. Thank you so much.